Hi, this is a fingerprint lock. Now I will show you how to use it. First, when you get the package, it's a totally padlock. There is no fingerprint inside, so any finger, anybody can unlock it. Unlocked. There is a pin in package. Shortly press this button. Record your first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish the first one. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 master finger being recorded. Now we try to unlock it. Unlock. Second one. Unlock. A new one, this one, it didn't record. No use. So we success. We can add totally 20 fingerprint inside. Now we record the ordinary user, not master user. Shortly press. Verify the master finger first. The new finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Success. Now we use the new finger to unlock it. Success. If you want to delete all the fingers, press the button 5 seconds. Verify the master finger. Then everything deleted. Any finger can unlock it. Success.